Let's do a quick review. In this chapter, we worked with the Pathauto module, and first of all, we created a Pathauto pattern for our tour content type. And then we regenerated the path alias because after we created our new pattern, we needed to replace the alias that got created automatically before we created our pattern. And then we reviewed various options for generating aliases in bulk for content that doesn't currently have aliases or that has outdated aliases. We then took a look at the Views module, we learned about what it does, and we went through the process of installing it. Finally, we reviewed the Views Wizard page, which was the first settings page as we created a new view, and then we reviewed the options on the settings page for our view. From here, there's a couple of things you can do to challenge yourself. First of all, you can create an alternate URL alias pattern for our tour content type, and then update all of the tour pieces of content that we've created, all of the tour nodes, to use that new alias. Once you've done that, then switch it back. Next, you can save the calendar view that we've been working on and add it as a shortcut to the shortcut bar, and then rename it Calendar. Finally, you can explore the entire Views interface, click on everything that you possibly can, and get a sense of familiarity with where Views starts and where it ends. And finally, when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next chapter.